might as well show you then how we're going to pull it apart. We've just put it together. It's pretty much going the reverse order. On the side here, let me take the jugs away. I'll turn it to the side. On the handle here, there's the release button. Okay, so we're going to push that down and then turn, take the whole thing off. Okay, no need to pull off the lid. You can pull off the lid afterwards, take it to the sink and clean. Then when we're going to pull apart the base, just lift the whole thing off. It's as easy as that. Pull out the center and then you can pull out your screw, the strainer and the wiper blades. That's how we disassemble the juicer. Happy juicing!